Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I am trying out some cauliflower tortillas. Mission cauliflower original, high fiber, no artificial colors. Well, you know, corn tortillas and flour tortillas don't usually have artificial colors, so I don't know why they need to mention that. Vegan. They aren't 100% cauliflower. They've got some different gums that are, people will recognize them if they're used to gluten-free baking. And there is rice flour, tapioca flour, and millet flour too. So it's not 100% cauliflower. And I went ahead and did a somewhat more authentic treatment. I fried them and I stuffed them with the meat and the cheese and fried them, and then I put the lettuce and tomato. So it's not the healthiest way to do it, but I wanted to see how they turned out. So tomato won't stay in. Of course, I really like the ground beef alternative with the taco seasoning. It's very tasty. I use the Violife cheddar shreds and just very thinly sliced iceberg lettuce and tomato. Doesn't take long to cook them. You definitely get that stinky cooking cauliflower smell from them, and you get a cauliflower taste. But other than that, they're really good, except the texture's a little bit gummy. It's probably because of all the gums they put in, but they probably have to put those in to make it hold together. So thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and checking out my community tab. Uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community tab posts Monday and Friday. If I do shorts, I'll put them up on Wednesdays. And if I do cats, I'll put them up on Catterday. The idea for the word Catterday I got from Mary's Test Kitchen, who has a Catterday channel where she features videos of her own two little handsome little senior cats. So that's where I got that idea. And I'll see you later, guys. Oh, the recipe will be on my blog, and I will link it in the description. See you later.